Have you ever wondered how it's possible to see an ad that matches your interests, your age, or your browsing habits as soon as you land on a website or open an app? All of this works thanks to programmatic advertising. How can we define it? Programmatic advertising is a method of buying and selling online advertising space optimized through software and algorithms. It's a complex process involving many players, but the basic idea is to use data and technology to deliver the right ads to the right people and at the right time. At the heart of this system is real-time bidding. When a user visits a website, information about their profile is analyzed for the ad impression, and this impression is put up for auction in just a few milliseconds on platforms called ad exchanges or auction marketplaces. Advertisers will then try to bid for this impression if it matches their target audience. To do this, they use a buying management software called a DSP, or demand-side platform. This software allows them to define target audiences by bidding on the corresponding impressions. But what about the supply side? Website publishers need to sell their advertising inventory to the highest bidder. To best calculate the purchase price of an impression, they use a sales software called an SSP, or supply-side platform. Once the price is set, this impression will be auctioned off on one or more ad exchanges. The advertiser who wins the auction will then be able to display their ad on the site using a tool called an ad server. Both the advertiser and the publisher are assisted in this process. Specialized agencies or trading desks, for example, provide advertisers with their own DSP. Because the market is complex and increasingly less transparent, more and more advertisers prefer to buy their ad space on private platforms. Private deals, private agreements, or private marketplaces are secure environments where publishers grant privileged and guaranteed access to certain buyers in exchange for better rates. The advantages of programmatic advertising are therefore efficient and fair auctions, highly precise targeting, and economies of scale. The challenges include complexity, issues of quality, inventory, fraud, and respecting the privacy preferences of Internet users.